Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Barista Pro Espresso machine. Now for this machine we just give it a little bit of maintenance, descaling the machine, clean it and just giving it a tune up. So starting with one double shot of espresso, we're going to be testing out this machine. We're using the grind size number 4 and we're using 16.5 seconds of grinding time. Perfect. Now we can use our tamper. And we can do a double espresso shot. Nice steady flow coming out of the spouts. Good crema, good quantity. Hot water, nice steady stream coming out of the machine as well. And now we can test the steam as well. And as you can see, steam strong, nice pressure, excellent temperature, working great. Working. So there you have it, Breville Barista Pro working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.